know. This might be a char. I don't know. He's got some pull to it. It was a decent long mark.
I think those guys are where you were last 2 weeks ago.
I think so.
Yeah. I think it's pulling pretty good.
I don't know what it is, though. I'm thinking it's a burbot. With the way that it's pulled. Kind of halfway dead weight. It's either that or it's a char that just has not decided that it wants to fight yet.
Like I say.
You want to get the bump board out?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, we're here.
What you got? I don't see it yet.
Burbot.
Oh, it is burbot.
It's a
It's
good
a nice
size one
burbot,
again.
yeah.
Now we can just let him go if he can get it out.
I want to bend the hook, so let me get my... come on, open up, you son of a bitch.
Yeah, and I give a point.
There we go. Not a bad one right there.